children are dying. Hunger, starvation, depression, only for cheating, deception, infidelity, and compromise, dishonesty. So you many faces. Give me strength, Lord. Give me strength. Tell us some more, my friend, when Louis say, Lord, say, oh.
I can't afford to lose you, Lord. I can't afford to lose you now.
No, no.
All my life, all my life, all my life, I have served you, Lord. All my life, all my life, all my life, I have served you, Lord. I've been to the mountains to pray and fast. I've been to some places to preach and serve. I lost all I had just to serve you, Lord. I gave, I shared,
Would you
I
give me strength?
sacrificed.
Would you give me strength? Would you give me strength? Give me strength. Give me strength.
Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, strengthen me. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, pull me through. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, strengthen me. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, pull me through. I cease to live so He can live. I cease to live that He can live in me. More of Him, more of Him, more of Him is less of me. Yeah, more of Him, more of Him, more of Him
Would you
is
give
less
me
of me. Yeah.
Would you give me strength? Praise my Lord. Introducing me, brethren. Would you give me brethren Augustine from the acoustic?
All the people, I love you all with the love of God. I love you all with the love of God. I love you all with the love of God. I love you all with the love of God. I hope you endure, resist temptation. The devil is cunning, but keep on God. Sisters, keep on God. Keep on God. Keep on God. Resist temptation. Brothers, keep on God. Keep on God. Keep on God.
Would you give me strength? Would you give me strength? Would you give me strength? Give me strength. Give me
Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, strengthen me. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, to pull me through. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, strengthen me. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit.